Liz from Caravan Guard Insurance. Damp in a caravan can be a real headache and is probably one of the most feared things by many caravan owners. Damp can build up over time in a caravan and is normally caused by the build-up of condensation from equipment and people. It's a good idea to have your caravan serviced every year, as this will include a check for damp or water ingress, as well as checking it regularly yourself. Early detection of any potential issue can save thousands on repair bills, and if caught early enough, it can be resolved fairly quickly. So in this video, we'll share some tips on preventing damp in your caravan. Let's start by discussing condensation. When touring in your caravan, during the night the temperature often cools outside, causing condensation to build up inside, especially in areas close to people sleeping. In instances where you find high levels of moisture on the windows in the morning, open them slightly, and if there's heavy condensation, wipe them down using a clean microfiber cloth. Condensation is not uncommon when caravanning in the colder months, especially when the caravan is warmed up for the first time. In those instances, wipe down the back of cupboards, ceilings and walls where condensation has built up. In all cases, improving air circulation and maintaining a steady level of heating will reduce the condensation build-up. If you enjoy cooking in your caravan, keep a window or skylight slightly open to remove any steam build-up, and if possible, use lids on saucepans to limit the amount of steam. Once cooking and washing up has been completed, wipe down any walls, surfaces and cupboards where moisture may still linger. Don't be tempted to block any air vents. These are there for a reason, such as if there's a gas leak. Also avoid bringing wet items into your caravan. Wet coats, swimsuits and any damp clothing should be stored in the awning if you have one, or make use of any laundry facilities on the campsite. Dry down any wet dogs before they enter the caravan using a large towel, and this will also reduce the mud factor too. The most amount of moisture comes from your caravan's washroom, so after using the shower or wash basin, wipe down the walls. If you have a skylight in the washroom, keep this open during a shower to minimise the build-up of condensation. If you can, air and dry damp towels outside before returning them to the washroom, or you could hang them close to heating outlets. Above all, keeping the caravan clean inside will dramatically help to keep damp to a minimum. Mop or wipe up any spills quickly, and don't store damp objects in lockers or wardrobes. Regular cleaning may also detect early signs of trouble. When cleaning the outside of your caravan, don't use a power wash, as this can damage seals and cause water ingress. To spot any signs of water ingress from the outside of your caravan, check seals around windows, doors and roof lights regularly, as well as where the caravan roof meets the side panels, by awning rails and around any fitting on the outside of your caravan, such as a TV aerial or solar panel. It's also worth paying close attention to heater or fridge flues. Whilst your caravan is in storage, there are a number of things that you can do to reduce the effects of cold weather. First of all, remove bedding, towels, cushions and clothing from the caravan during the colder months. Keep wardrobe doors slightly open to improve air circulation, and maybe use moisture traps to reduce the effect of damp in areas with minimal air circulation. Pull furniture away from the sides of the caravan, again to promote air movement, and if possible, move them to store in a dry place if you're not going to be using your caravan during the winter months. Don't cover any vents that you feel let air in. Air circulation and ventilation is really important. A caravan cover that is breathable can add an extra layer of protection against the elements when your caravan is in storage and reduce the risk of damp. Finally, when checking up on your caravan in storage, turn on the heating for a short time with the windows open. This will let the air move around inside the caravan. If you have any concerns, make sure you call in the experts to treat any problems early on. So there you go, we hope you found our tips to preventing damp in your caravan helpful. Please like and share, and for more caravan care hints and tips, why not head on over to our website. Thanks for watching, and remember, prevention is better than cure and can go a long way in making sure your caravan stays dry for your adventures.